behind the music and the step that make the girls be handy.
Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without